Are you struggling to find the right keywords for your Etsy listings? In this video, I'm going to show you a powerful and free tool that'll help you discover the best keywords to use in your titles and tags. That way you can get more eyes on your products, which will lead to more sales. Let's get started. All right, so you can find this tool over at merchtitans.com. In the top menu, you'll see free tools. You can scroll down and look for this Etsy keyword research. So when you click on that, it'll pull you to this page. All it requires is a free account, so you can sign up, verify your email, and then you can use this. It's completely free. So this is an amazing keyword research tool for Etsy because what it does, you could feed it a base terms like nurse. In fact, I'll just run that real quick. And it'll almost in real time go through all the auto-suggested keywords on Etsy, which is a great way to start because if something becomes an auto-suggested keyword, there's already enough people searching for it for that to appear in that way. So in this case, it'll go through all of those, go through the entire alphabet A through Z, 0 through 9 with the numbers, and get you these keywords in near real time. So if you look at this, let me zoom in a bit here. Let's go into a little bit more so they can just see these. So got nurse, obviously that's what we typed, and 673,000 searches per month. And you got the trending data on here, so it's trending upwards 22% right now. Average cost per click, it's $1.23, and competition level low. So probably low because not a lot of people run ads directly to nurse because it's not specific. So that's what the competition's based off of. But nurse RN, nurse practitioner, but we're looking for like this nurse clip art, 27,100 searches per month. Low competition. So this is good if you're selling digital products on Etsy. That could be a good particular keyword you can use in your title and in your tags. Again, just another variation of clip art. But I did want to show you, if I go back up to nurse, this is a trending chart here. Every single one of these, you can just hover over it. You can see the April trending data, May, all the way through the entire year. So you can actually see what time of year a particular keyword takes off. So, you know, if like the 4th of July is coming up, you could look at a keyword like that and see so that you can get ahead of it. I would recommend 60 to 90 days before a major trend, get some products listed, and then that way you can likely capitalize on that trend. But let's scroll through these a little bit more. Nurse shirt, 14,800. You look at the trend data here. You see exactly what months it tends to do best. Let's keep going. Looking for print on demand or digital product related keywords here. Digital product there. Nurse gifts, obviously always a good one. Nurse appreciation week. Nurse dress, nurse office, nurse t-shirt. Journal. You can see the search volume here though. Nurse sweatshirt. But if I keep scrolling, just look at how many keywords there are here. This is amazing. I mean, this is absolutely crazy. So I'm just still going just off that nurse shirt. And these are all coming from Etsy auto-suggested keywords. And it's really, really fast. So let's try something else. Let's just try July 4th. I'm just going to put that in and see what happens. July 4th, America, 201,000 search terms trending upwards. And you can see in May how much that's trending. August is obviously past July, but people in May and June's low, which is weird, but May people are searching for that. But let's look for a particular product like a t-shirt. So July 4th tee. If you look at the trending data, June and obviously July, it makes a lot of sense and so forth. But look at the amount of keywords here. I could just scroll and scroll and scroll. It's absolutely amazing. So let me go back to the top. We'll run a few more searches. Let's try custom sweatshirt, something more broad, and see what comes up here. So you can find good ideas too. If you're looking for product ideas or design ideas, you can actually start from the keyword side, look for ideas, and then look at the keywords you could associate with that. So here I got custom sweatshirt for dog, 2,400 searches per month. And looks like obviously November, December, and January are the best months for that. But let's keep scrolling here. Custom sweatshirt design. Let's look for something that's a little more specific. With name, that's great on Etsy, but these don't have any search volume, but they are still appearing here, meaning they are auto-suggested keywords from Etsy, so there's enough people searching them for that to even happen. So now let's zoom in a bit. Let's go custom nurse, because Etsy's really great for custom products, personalized products. Here we go, so custom nurse gifts, 1,300 searches, custom nurse jacket, nurse bag, mug, and sweatshirt. You can see there's quite a few of these there. And look at all these keywords. There's so many here. But of course, you want to look for something that has search volume, ideally, and lower competition. So in this case, this one, custom nurse tumbler, 52 on the competition level. only 40 searches per month. But this is all Google related data, by the way. So to me, I always find that as most accurate in terms of search volume. So take that and realize on Etsy, you're going to have people that are looking to buy. But it is Google related search volume. And let's do one more. Let's go with let's just type in shirt. I'm really curious to see what comes after that. And auto suggested shirt for men, shirt graphic, shirt for women, shirt dad. And what you can do is switch that around. Let's go like this because Father's Day, it's too late to like put designs up for Father's Day, but let's just type in Father's Day and see what type of products are going to be appended to the end here. So gift ideas, 135,000 searches per month. T-shirt, shirt, present mug. Yeah, this is great. Golf gifts, okay. Printables, digital products there. Gift for Father's Day gift for husband. So you start to see Father's Day stickers, socks, funny shirts. There's so many different products here. And look at this. It just keeps going. All these have so much search volume. It's really impressive. But anyway, I just wanted to show you this free keyword research tool over at Merch Titans. I know it can be very beneficial for you to quickly find keywords for any niche you're going into or any design idea. So you can use it for finding product ideas, product research, and then of course using these keywords in your titles and tags on Etsy to get more exposure and obviously lead to more sales. But that's it. If you have questions, let me know by leaving a comment below. Talk soon. Cheers.